it's about to rain.
Oh, yeah, it is.
It might.
So you have all your appointments out here?
Yeah, it's just 2 appointments. Let's take your mom to work day.
Take the mom to work day. Herbs Auto.
Let's see what it say.
Yeah,
Current 6 day, 3 day. Oh, they talking about thunderstorms tomorrow.
Why they wearing up for the day?
I don't know. Let's say tomorrow, Taco Tuesday. But that storm.
Pulling up on blah blah blah.
See, the first car is in the apartments to the left, and then the other car.
It's apartments?
It's like a city.
It is. Clean too.
Let's see.
Watch these.
I'm watching.
You need to be watching her.
I feel like it always rain when I come over here too.
Uh-oh. You bringing the daggone rain then.
That's the one right here.
This?
Placing the starter again on this one. I replaced it recently, but the brand new starter that we received was defective. So got it tested, it failed, got a new one in, I'm about to install it again. Sometimes that happens. Maybe just give me one more so I can drive it on these ramps. Ah, yes. You saw that trick? Did you see that? We good. What'd it say? Yeah, they do that sometime. I trust them.
Where's your jack?
It's right there.
So when are you gonna use it?
13.
It's a raggedy engine.
About rain.
Y'all see he under there? That's Herb's Auto. Herb's Auto Car. I always say Herb's to the rescue. You gotta give him a holler. I think he would rather you text him. Would you rather them text you?
Yeah.
He said text. Area code 214 885.
Oh no, you can text on Instagram.
Oh, he said y'all can just text him on Instagrams. Herb's Auto. Herb's Auto Care. You know, when he was young, he used to just want to drive fast. He had a little remote control car. And he used to like to take things apart too. Just to see. Brand new stuff. He won't take it apart. You can spend all that money on a little remote control car only for somebody to take it apart to see how it works. Tell me that don't make no sense. But look at him today. He's Herb's Auto. Ooh, he's grown too.
This thing not coming out.
Uh-oh, he said not coming out. Getting them ugly faces you making.
I'm looking at all the stuff that's going on with it. Pre-purchase inspection or a multi-point inspection. There we go.
It look brand new.
It's brand new. I just got that, like less than, I want to say maybe the end of January or maybe the end of February. We got it installed.
And that's the starter?
Yep.
Ooh.
Yeah, huh? We got 2 minutes.
Look, yeah. All that bending. I gotta start doing me some exercise. Woo!
Huh?
I gotta start doing me some exercise.
Uh-huh. We put you on the team, huh?
Well,
This
yeah,
don't require too much
it requires a lot of bending. Shoo. Is it hard doing that being left-handed?
No, not really. I never thought of it being a challenge or like making it a. Put that signal.
Uh-oh.
If anything, Papa taught me how to work more with just one hand.
Oh, yeah, because he had that strength in that one hand either way.
I'm able to loosen stuff.
I know, because he used to just put that bottle right by his leg and just turn that screw. I'm like, wow. Well, I guess you lost all your strength in one, but all you got that one hand, that hammer. That was really a hammer hand. I remember when Cindy and Deborah was about to fight.
That hand hooked her.
Cindy say, ooh, but Daddy got one hand, but that hand was strong when he held me.
I need an 8.
Ooh, listen at the weather. It's about to rain. He looking for an 8, whatever that is. I said you were looking for an 8, whatever that is.
Oh yeah, I found it.
He found it.
Because I've been organizing.
He been organizing, but he needs to organize. But that it might be junky, but I guess he know where everything else at.
Yeah.
And people gonna say, who shot that video of you?
Oh, this just the
Oh, you're gonna be editing all the good stuff out.
It
Whoa.
might be a whole playthrough.
Yep. This my about 5th day on a job like this. I like y'all to see them faces that he be making when he working. Uh-oh. I said, oh, because it's about to rain.
Oh, is it?
Ain't that about nothing? Dad, look at that face. Go. Now you trying to make a cute face.
Make a light skin face. Okay, there we go.
See, there we go. That must be, got it. You can't stop the ride.
Another phone?
No.
There we go. And then we ease that 15.
You need that 15. Find the 15. That's the 15, y'all.
This will go easier.
That's the 15.
Ooh, the other day, I was working on something like this, and I thought I had it tight, and I just see it all about to crash down. And I said, woo! Got out there quick. Almost hit me in the face. Uh-oh.
It's not too bad. It's just... Now that's what's bad.
Yeah.
But Herb to the rescue. Whoa. How old is this car?
It's a 1998.
Wow.
Yeah. They use this engine in a lot of cars. Chevy, Malibu, Impalas.
Wow, 98. And he's still chuck along around in it. When you come on the other side of it. I think that's better.
Oh.
Oh, there you go. Wait a minute. I won't get too close. Oh, look at that mug. Look at her. Well, hey, look at him. That's the Herbie dance. Woo! Gotta go.
Gotta go.
Oh, my bad. I'm supposed to be. I'm sorry. I gotta go. Oh, no.
It's all good.
Woo! I am so sorry, but I had to go. I know y'all saw that flash of light. Don't forget your tools, though. Yep, it's starting to rain. But he did get it going. Ooh, Lord. We leaving. Where you at, Herb? There you go. Don't forget your chair. Yeah, that lightning scared me.
Oh, that thunder?
Thunder, lightning. Woo, he's like, get on out of here. You done finish your job.
I almost got hit on dabbling.
What?
When was out there in Baton Rouge? Yep.
Yeah. Place with that.
Getting groceries out the car.
Ooh, Lord, them groceries would have had to wait.
Almost got the most important one.
Ooh, y'all saw that? He trying to get out from that lightning and look at that. Herbs to the rescue. Did you like it?
I killed him.
Like, dang, because he had his hand out and he still wasn't letting it
Yeah.
merge in. Like when you let the damn truck go in,